What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the jump. In this video, we're gonna be making a beat. I'm gonna do this challenge for myself. I'm gonna make a beat every day until my channel blows up. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna do it every day until the channel blows up. So let's dive right into it, and we're gonna see how far or how long I do it. Now, let's guys find some loops. I got some loops that I bought. Yes, you heard me right. I said I bought. Didn't steal them. I bought them. I like that one. So let's just go right on down the pack. Let's delete that. I had started doing this earlier and realized my speaker was still on. So luckily I didn't get that far. So we are going to just do it over again. We got the tempo 140. It's already set. We're gonna cut that up like that, because I think this is like the chorus version of the loop, and this is the hook version. So delete that, we're gonna call this chorus melody. Yeah, Let's bring this down. We don't want that right there anyway. Call it verse melody. So we got that. We're gonna come over here and do that 3 times like that for the verse. And then we will do that 1 time. And look, you already got 2 verses. Then you bring the chorus back 1 more time. I've been doing this so long, I mean, I can format a song like I'm sleeping. Change the time base. We almost at 240, about 230 seconds. So that's long enough for me. Change that back to bars. Now that we got bars, let's add some drums. This is where my flip comes in. What is Unchained drum kit? I don't remember what half of these was. 808. I kind of just want a solid kick. Let's see what we have here. Why not? What did I just do? Let's use some licks. That's the one I like. So let's into that. When I add a crash, I don't normally do crashes. I used to do crashes all the time. We use that one for the time being. Kicks, this is what I'm talking about. Let's use that one. And the rims. Let's keep it moving. I don't want to use none of those. We got some more melody loops, just 2. Let's go back and find some more drums. What that is, but it ain't playing. Let's see what we got so far. So let's come over here. And where's my hi-hat? Because we're going to start that out like that. You can flip it to drums, but we just leave it on keys. And we're going to do this like that. You're going to see why. Just bring it to a root note C. Now, don't like that, so let's get that out. Bam, duplicate. What you know about that? What you know about that? We're gonna go all the way out to the end. Now, Now let's see what that sounds like. Let's bring it back out a little bit, because then we want to add some in between there somewhere randomly. We got that. And then let's bring this out. Can I do that? Ooh, I can. And we're going to copy that. I thought I was going to copy that. Let's change my view a little bit more so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to do 32. D, why ain't that copying? D for duplicate. I don't know why that ain't copying. Well, it's copying, it's just not doing what I thought it's supposed to be doing. So let's do that. Copy, duplicate another one. Let's just bring that down like that. Oh, where that went to, cuz. Oh, there it is right there. So, what? I need to slow down. Okay, there's that. Now let's go on and delete that one and start back over right here. And let's bring that back. We don't need that far. Do that like that. Now we're just gonna do that all the way through. Now let's go back to the claps. Let's do the claps. We'll just do that for 4 bars. Good. You know it's gonna be on 3. Highlight it all so we can extend it a little bit. Bring that back. Boom, we got that. Let's do some drums now. Yeah, buddy. Delete that. Duplicate that. Okay, so we got those two. Let's bring that up there like that. Let's bring that up there like that. Move all of those down like that. Kind of like that one. Let's go and do that one. And let's add it. Let's add it. I'll do that. Oh shit. Let's do that. Oh shit. Oh, what am I doing? Go back. Oh shit. Let's go back to the beginning. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. Let's get rid of that. Then we'll come back with the 808. And then cut that out. Let's go back to drums. And let's go back to the licks. Get that crash up in there. We're gonna add that periodically. That's it right there. Won't right there. Will right there. Now let's go to the mix. Let's go to the mix. Some reverb. hard cutoff. Hard. Hey, and we gotta beat. And we gotta beat in 16 minutes. Cocaine in my back door, cocaine on my front. Every time you look at me, I give you what you want. Cocaine on my front door, cocaine on the back. Every time you look at me, you know I keep it stacked. Hey, I got that. I got that. I got that. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. I think we gonna say that one. Save hope.